Oh my god, I wanted to... I don't know if I should tell the story. I microwaved something with like the lid on and it melted. It kind of melted. The lid melted inside of the into the container itself, the top of the lid, and then it looks like an art piece. It looks like an art piece. It melted inside. Well, I mean, it's okay. I don't take pictures, but I did show Kyla. I was like, hey, look, check this out. Cool item, yup. How's the plastic taste like? I couldn't taste the plastic, but I still ate whatever that was inside. Are the plastic poisonous? No, because the plastic melted into the container, not into the food. Well, I don't know if it drops onto the food, but as far as I checked, I don't think it touched the food. It just melted to the edges of the container. You're still alive, so I suppose it was safe, but I was hungry. I can cook though. Basic stuff only.